Hi everyone, and welcome to another Man vs. AI video on how to use the incredible effects in iPhone messages. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to elevate your messaging game with trigger effects, bubble and screen effects, and even create custom keyboard shortcuts. Let's dive in. Trigger effects are a fun way to add some excitement to your messages. Let's get started with happy birthday. Just type the words happy birthday, press send, and watch as the balloons raise across your screen. Next, we'll try Happy New Year. Watch the fireworks. For some additional fireworks, type Happy Chinese New Year. And for a little playful effect, type Pew Pew. See the lasers. A not so well-known tip is Happy Eid. Watch the shooting star. Bubble and screen effects take your message to the next level. Let's try that out. Type your message, hold the send key. You can try invisible ink, where your text is dissolved. You can try loud or slam. Or if you hit screen, watch your text be flashed across the screen. Swipe to the left for spotlight. Swipe to the left for more balloons. Swipe to the left for confetti. Swipe to the left for a big heart. Swipe to the left for lasers. Swipe to the left for more fireworks. And press send to send your message. To make using these effects even easier, you can create custom keyboard shortcuts. Simply go to your iPhone settings, hit General, tap on Keyboard, text replacement, hit the plus in the top right-hand corner, type in the phrase you want to replace. I'll do pew pew. And the shortcut will be PP. And hit save. Now I'll go back to my messages. And in the prompt I'll type PP and be replaced by pew pew, hit the send, and now I have my laser effect. You can do this for all of your trigger effects. I'll do SS for Happy Eid, and now I have my shooting star. There you have it, a quick tour of the amazing iMessage effects at your fingertips. Unleash your creativity, surprise your friends, and elevate your messaging experience. Happy chatting. If you like this tip, tap the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more tips like this, and hit the bell icon to trigger notifications when I post new content. Now let's see what AI can do.
Ever wondered how to make your iMessages more fun and interactive? Well, today we delve into the world of iMessage's hidden gems. Features that will transform your texting experience. This video is your guide to uncovering these treasures. We will start by exploring trigger effects, a fun way to surprise your friends with animations that pop up when you type certain phrases. Next, we'll venture into the realm of bubble and screen effects. These can make your messages explode with color and motion or softly float across the screen. We'll also be highlighting some special phrases like Happy Birthday, Happy New Year, Happy Chinese New Year, Pew Pew, and Eid Blessing that kick off unique animations. Plus, we'll be teaching you how to create keyboard shortcuts for these trigger words, making it even easier to bring a smile to your friends' faces. By the end of this video, you will be able to use these features to add some zest to your iMessages. First up, let's explore trigger effects. These are nifty little features that, when activated, send a burst of animation to your recipient's screen. And the best part, it's as easy as typing a message. Certain phrases when sent will trigger these animations. For example, typing Happy Birthday will send balloons floating across your friend's screen. Happy New Year sends fireworks, while Happy Chinese New Year showers your message with a festive red envelope effect. If you're feeling playful, try typing Pew Pew for a laser light show. And let's not forget Eid Blessing, which will trigger a beautiful crescent moon and star animation. It's a fun and simple way to make your messages more exciting and personal. So next time you want to wish someone well or just add a little flair to your chat, remember these trigger effects. That's how easy it is to add some excitement to your messages with trigger effects. Now let's move on to bubble and screen effects. These are fantastic features that can really bring your iMessages to life. Imagine sending a happy birthday message that bursts onto the screen with balloons, or a Happy New Year greeting that comes with a display of fireworks. Sounds fun, right? Bubble effects change the way your message bubbles appear on the screen. For instance, you can make your message slam down onto the screen or gently float into view. Screen effects, on the other hand, fill the entire screen with animation. Think fireworks, confetti, or even a laser light show. Here's how to use them. First, type your message, then press and hold the blue send button. This will bring up the bubble and screen effects menu. Choose your desired effect and hit send. And there you have it, a fun and creative way to communicate with your friends and family through iMessages. Finally, let's learn how to make keyboard shortcuts for trigger words. Now, why is this useful, you might ask? Well, if you're someone who loves to send animated messages frequently, keyboard shortcuts can save you a ton of time. Instead of typing out happy birthday or pew pew, you can simply create a shortcut like HB or PP, and your iPhone will automatically replace it with the full trigger word. Let's try creating one. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. Scroll down to Keyboard and select Text Replacement. Tap the plus sign to add a new shortcut. Enter the full trigger word in the phrase field and your chosen shortcut in the shortcut field. Hit Save, and you're done. Next time you type your shortcut, your iPhone will suggest the full trigger word. And just like that, you can now quickly and easily send animated messages with just a few taps on your keyboard. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the playful world of iPhone's iMessage, exploring trigger effects that bring your texts to life. We've also discovered bubble and screen effects, adding a splash of color and movement to our messages for occasions like birthdays, New Year's, and Eid. Finally, we've seen how keyboard shortcuts for trigger words can streamline our messaging experience. Now that you know how to use these fun features, go ahead and give them a try. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.
Well, you made it this far. Man and AI agree that trigger, bubble, and screen effects are something to behold. It's time for you to decide, man or AI. Leave a comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Man vs. AI, the Tech Tip Rivalry.